guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be creating a Monstera leaf. To do that, I'm going to do a green swipe and then I'm going to paint around the edges to create the shape of the leaf. By the way, I'm so sorry I wasn't able to post a video the last 2 weeks. I was away for work, so I just wasn't able to paint anything. So I'm super excited to be back and looking forward to today's painting. The base colors that I'm busy pouring on for the swipe are all mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. The exact paint colors, ratios and supplies will all be listed in the description box, so you can find all those details there. Now I'm adding the white that I'm going to swipe with. This white is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water, and it doesn't contain any silicone. It's been a few days and now I'm wiping down the canvas gently with some warm soapy water to help clean off the silicone. Now I'm cleaning off that soapy water with some plain warm water. I've created the outline of the leaf on the canvas and now all I'm doing is painting around the outside using titanium white. I ended up adding 3 more layers of white paint, and now I'm using a green plastic pen, which is an acrylic paint marker, to neaten up the edges. I like the green color combo and I like the leaf against the white background as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.